running around the house, and I asked them what it was about, and they said it was cooking. Oh, I was like, whoa, what a wonderful song. I highly recommend this song to all you little kiddos. Never too early to start putting a bun in the oven. That song gets Nonnina's kitchen all turned up. Oh, gotta try some of this tea. Ooh, that's even sweeter than Nonnina. So if you're new to this channel and you're wondering what you're watching, welcome to Cooking with Nonnina. So as you know, with quarantine loosening, our pants are not obliging. So what we're doing is we're doing healthy Italian cooking. You know, we want to get us out of those gym shorts. Although nobody's complaining about Nonnina wearing short shorts. So today's dish is going to be a Bolognese sauce over Zoodles with a Ceasar salad on the side. And I'm even going to add anchovies today. Okay, so now we're going to go over the ingredients. We need 3 tablespoons of diced onion. They made Nonnina all teary. 3 tablespoons of green pepper. And 2 tablespoons of garlic. And you're not going to want to go kissing Nonnina after this dish. And 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, thyme, and parsley. And you mix it all in a little bowl here. And of course, you gotta have the basil. For Italians, it's like oxygen. So I get that fresh from my basil plant over here. But 1 teaspoon of basil. 6 ounces of tomato paste. And 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. What a delightful sugar that is. So sweet. 2 cans of Marzano-style tomatoes. It's the best tomato can there is. You need the salt and pepper. And then, of course, the Italian olive oil. The best of all the olive oils. And today I'm going a little lucchini. Then we got our liquid ingredients. 3/4 cup of vegetable stock. 3/4 cup of candy. I got my candy right here. Oh, it smells so good. And 1.5 cup of light cream. And our last ingredients are 1 pound of lean turkey breast, 6 pork Italian sausages, of course, and 4 cups of Zoodles. Oh, that's so fun to say. Zoodles! Okay, so we're ready to get started. So we're going to take our olive oil and we're going to put 2 tablespoons in the pan. 1, 2, and a little extra for love. Nonnina has a lot of love. And we're going to do this pan too. Same thing. Okay. So now we'll turn up the fire. Get that going. And now we're going to put our turkey meat in. Ah, that's nice. And then we'll put our sausages in the other pan so that we can get them a little brown, and then we'll chop them up. And mix around that oil a little. So it gets all around the pan. Don't want to make any of the meat jealous. Alright, so we got the meat cooking. We got our 2 cans of tomato here. So what we gotta do is we gotta get our hands in there and make sure the little tomato chunks are all broken up. So I'm gonna stick my hands right in there. Of course, I wash my hands first. You should too. Oh, that's so nice. It feels so good. Oh, don't mind getting a little handsy in there. Don't worry. You won't get in trouble. This is making homemade Bolognese sauce. So I got this all nicely mixed up. So depending on how you like your gravy, you know, some people like it a little more chunky. And that's okay. So we got the turkey all nice and spread out. So now we can put some of our ingredients in while it's cooking. We got the onion, spread it all nice around. We add the green pepper. Ah, that's a nicer pepper. There we go. And of course, we gotta get our garlic. And you want to make sure you get all of that in. Oh, that's so nice. And I need a special mix. Get this all around. Oh, that's nice. Of course, the basil from my plant. Get you all in. Oh, that's good. And the pink salt. Oh, that's so good. And our black pepper. You always want to make sure you get fresh ground pepper. That's so nice. And now we're going to stir it all up. Nonnina loves to cook. And making healthy dishes is wonderful. And now that we got our sausages nice and light brown, we're going to cut them up and put them back in the pan. And just dice them like this. Nice and easy. Oh, my little sausage is running away. And then we can brown the middles. We just drop them right back in. Don't make sure you don't splatter. And we keep going and cut up the next one. Okay, so before we move on to the next step, after handling all that meat, make sure you wash your hands. You don't know where it's been. So now we're ready to make our gravy. That's what us Italians call red sauce. So we're going to put in our tomatoes into this pot. Woo! Don't make too much of a splash. Don't want to waste any tomatoes. And then we're going to put our tomato paste in. Get it all in there. That's so nice. And our brown sugar. Whee! And then we need our vegetable stock. Put it all around. And the light cream. And of course, you can't forget the Chianti. And now we're going to put our meat in. Oh, get it all in there. So with the sausage, we got to use our spoon. Make sure we don't get too much oil in there. Get all the oil out. Want to keep this a healthy dish. So now we're going to turn the heat on and we're going to stir this all up and then we're going to let it simmer for 3 hours. Get that heat on. And now I'm going to stir this around, mixing it all up. Oh, this is going to be such a scrumptious dish. So now that we got this simmering just right, we're going to do our Caesar dressing. So first we're going to put 2 teaspoons of garlic and 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste. Oh, get that in there. And 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This spices this right up. And 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Oh, that's so fun to say. Put that right in. And 1 cup of light ale. We're going to keep this a healthy dish. And then salt and pepper, of course. And then we stir it all in. So some people think that the Caesar dressing is named after Julius Caesar, the Roman leader. But no, it's a nice Italian man that was also named Caesar who just created it. What a lovely dressing he created. And now we keep stirring it up. And you can dance a little too while you do it. I always like to have some fun. So our Bolognese is almost ready, so we're going to get our Caesar salad prepared. Cut this romaine lettuce up just nice. Oh yeah. And we don't need this part. Bye-bye. And cut it this way too. Nice, a fresh romaine lettuce. Straight from my garden. And we're going to prepare 2 Caesar salads. One with anchovies and one not. Kind of like mounds and almond joy. Some people like the nuts and some people don't. Alright, now we got a freshly grated Parmesan. Love the Parmesan. Yeah, just shimmer around while you do it. Have a fun. I like to get extra Parmesan in there. And now this is Nonnina's because she likes the anchovy. I'm a good Italian woman. My arm's getting tired. A little extra for here. Ah, so nice. Now we'll dribble that dressing all around the salad. Now you don't want too much because this is going to be healthy cooking. That's a nice one. And a little for this one. I like a little more. That's nice. A little more over here. Oh, this is nice to see the dressing. And then, of course, I'm going to put my anchovies in my salad. Oh, what a lovely salad this is. Ooh, one for Nonnina. And some people like to add croutons, but Nonnina does everything gluten-free. I don't use my glutes to make any of this. And you know, it makes my belly swell, so I like to keep my dishes gluten-free. And now that our Bolognese sauce is almost done, we're going to prepare our Zoodles. So we're going to put our olive oil into the pan, 2 tablespoons, 1, 2, and a little extra for love, of course. And then we'll put our Zoodles in. Stir that a little around, get it all over, spread it out. There we go. And we're going to put 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. That's a mess. Perfect. Some salt. Just the right amount. And the black pepper. And we'll give it a little stir. And I would drizzle a little more olive oil all over the top. I'll get my tablespoon and give it a nice drizzle. And give it a stir. And we're gonna cook this for about 5 minutes. So the bolognese sauce is all done. And so we put our zoodles on the plate and then we dribble the bolognese sauce all over. And then the final touches, we put our parmigiana on top. You put nice long strokes on that. Nonnina can really stroke it. Oh, that looks so nice. A little for the plate. There we go. And this is your final dish. And don't forget to hit that little cute like button and subscribe. And if you want to see any more of my shows, ding that bell. And don't forget you can leave me any positive comments you want down below. And lastly, if Nonnina can do it, anyone can do it. Ciao!